Hi, my name is Albert and I'll be your coach for today. So today I'll be teaching you how to play the target game of Getting Close. Okay. So for this game, what you need are just a few basic home essential items. So for this game, I chose to use socks. So three white socks and three black socks. I just wrote them together to form like a small ball. Okay. So these will be the things you use to aim at the target. Okay, so you can use any other things like sandbags. You can fold up any other cloth to make like a small little ball. And as for the target of the game, it can be anything that doesn't look like the objects that can use to throw at the target. So you can use things like a soft toy, a water bottle, maybe yeah. So anything that doesn't look like the ball of sock or anything that you want to throw at the target. So in my case, I used little plushie, a seal plushie. Okay. Okay. So how to set up this game will be basically to put the target on the floor at a distance. So maybe like here, and we stand like just one or 2 meters back away from the target. Okay, so there'll be 2 players to this game, or you can go up to maybe 3 or 4 players. So each player, you can use different color socks or objects to differentiate whose item is whose. So in this case, my 12-year-old sister, she'll be using the black color socks, and for me, I'll be using my white color socks. Okay, so this is how the game will go. So we'll take turns to throw our socks at the target, and the objective of the game is to get your sock as close to the target as possible without touching it. So for example, I'll go first. Okay, so I'll toss it. Okay, so my sock is there, and then it will be the other player's turn to toss. So now she goes. Okay, so as of now, my sister's sock is closer to the target. So that is how to offensively score in this target game. So in this game you can defensively score in this game also. So you can do it by tossing your sock at your opponent's sock and try to hit it away from the target. Yeah, so you can do that defensively to earn yourself a winning chance at the game. Okay, yeah, so essentially each player you can get like 3, 4 or 5 tries. Just maybe start the game off with a scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone. Okay, so the winner will start first. So winner throws. Okay, then it will be my turn. Okay, so one more thing to take note of will be to try to play this game with an open back. Play this game with some gap behind the target, so your opponent or you yourself cannot cheat by bouncing the object or the sock off the wall to try to reach the target from the back. So one way to go around this is to set a penalty. So for example, if I were to throw the sock and it were to bounce off the wall, that will be a foul throw. So I have to take back my sock, then I have to go again. Throw to get as close to the target as possible without touching the target. So in this case, this game, as you can clearly see, my sister won the game. So congrats to my sister. Her sock reached closer to the target than mine without touching the target itself. So that's it for the game. And Yeah, some safety points to take note of will be try to use softer objects at home. Try not to use hard objects like marker, maybe like small containers. All these hard objects will be hazardous, especially if you have little kids running around the house, elderly running around the house. Yeah, so do take note of this safety precaution, and always tidy up after you play the game, because small objects like this lying down on the floor will be a sleeping hazard. Okay, so that's all for my